Welcome guys, I'm your 3D printing exploration partner. Today's journey is to make your designs pop out of the screen and into the limelight. First, let's work a little magic and freshen up our creative space. Click on the Preferences button. Pick a refreshing set of interface themes. There are two default colors you can choose from. Of course, you can also choose your favorite color here. Then, let's focus on the color palette on the left, which showcases a stunning array of color choices for the model, support structure, and base. These soulful brush strokes bring your creations to life. Imagine your model gleaming in the morning light. The bright colors instantly become a visual magnet, drawing everyone's attention. The support structure, in a soft light color palette, quietly supports the main character on stage, playing the role of an indispensable hero behind the scenes. The base, on the other hand, is dominated by solemn dark colors, which is not only the cornerstone of the work, but also a symbol of its dignity. In a sea of color, you may feel both excited and hesitant, but understand that it is the infinite choices that inspire creativity. It is our job to guide you through the preview phase, orchestrating these colors so that they complement each other and culminate in a vibrant design. Now, start exploring the depths of the model. Go to View in the top toolbar. Touch Linear Display to turn it on. It's as if you have a pair of eyes that can see right through the model's inner workings and see the delicate arrangement of the supporting skeleton to ensure the strength and precision of the design. Especially in the case of jewelry or precision machinery design, this view is like a skilled architect leading you to find the order in the complexity. Then, we lightly switch scenes and enter a dreamy theater where colors and textures mingle. By simply clicking on Surface Display, your design seems to be enchanted, with subtle changes in color levels and transparency revealed, which, for resin printing, signifies the perfect fusion of light and design, with a preview effect that can be mistaken for the real thing. Linear display and plane display, the two are like the wings of design. One penetrates into the subtleties of the structure and plays the role of an engineer. The other reveals the charm of color and light, incarnating a stage magician. When they are combined in linear plane display, it not only enhances the artistic realm of the design, but also realizes the seamless integration of function and aesthetics in high-precision applications such as dental molds or precision components, reflecting the perfect harmony between technology and art. Under linear plane display, every detail is sculpted like a work of art under a microscope, ensuring that the design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, and that every step of creation is a profound interpretation of the fusion of technology and art. These three visual modes, in concert, weave a holistic design landscape from the inside out, from the skeleton to the surface, paving a clear path for innovators from conception to realization. Each step along this journey represents an unwavering pursuit of beauty and the refinement of technical prowess. Through this episode, I believe you have successfully unlocked the visual magic of linear, plane display and mastered how to flexibly shuttle between structural depth, color stage, and fine-tuning of details in creative design. In the next episode, we'll learn how to use multiple perspectives to review designs, and further improve our ability to scrutinize and optimize our designs, so stay tuned.